Very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we'll see the past continuous tense. Let's start. So, in a past continuous tense, we need helping verb was verb and before. Okay, before means ing form of the verb, present participle. Okay, subject plus was verb plus present participles means ing form of the verb. We need ing form of the verb in all continuous tense. Clear? So here is the subject. He or she was singing a song. You were reading a book. They were playing in the park. Then now and interrogative sentences we have to put just helping verb in front of the subject. So was she or he singing a song? Were you reading a book? And were they playing in the park? Then negative sentences. Subject plus was verb plus not plus present participle. Okay, so he she not singing a song, you were not reading a book, they were not playing in the park. Now interrogative negative sentences. Was she or not singing a song? Were you not reading a book? They were they not playing in the park? So this is our statements. Now the main part of this chapter is uses of past continuous tense. Now the first one is the past continuous tense is used in the following ways to describe an action which was in progress at point of time or over a period of time in the past. Past में कुछ एक्शन हो रही थी, चालू हुई, शुरू मतलब कि कंटिन्यू थी, उसके लिए हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस लाइक एज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. जब हम बोलते हैं तब वो एक्शन चालू हो रही है और कंटिन्यू है, तो उसके लिए हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस बाय सेम लाइक इन अ पास्ट. ओके, सो हियर ही वाज रीडिंग अ नॉवेल एट 8 o'clock दिस मॉर्निंग. आज सुबह 8 बजे वो नॉवेल पढ़ रहा था, है ना. So it was raining all the afternoon. I was working on my project last week. So the whole sentences describe the action which were in progress at point of time in the past. Okay. So describe an action which was progressing at point of time. Okay. Now suggest a gradual development of the action in the past. धीरे-धीरे कोई action बढ़ रही है past में, उसके लिए हम past continuous tense यूज करेंगे. Like it was getting dark, I was getting late. Okay, so धीरे एक ही झटके में अगर ऐसा अंधेरा नहीं हो जाता, धीरे-धीरे gradual development of the action. Okay, so the girl was growing like a young plant. आप धीरे-धीरे बड़े होते हो. He was becoming more and more nervous. एक ही साथ nervous नहीं, धीरे-धीरे nervous. Okay, so gradual development of the action. Now the third use of this tense is to express an action that was in progress when another action took place. Okay, to express an action that was in progress and that another, जब दो एक्शन साथ में शुरू हुई हो, तो जब इंटरप्ट एक्शन जो है वो सिंपल पास्ट और उससे पहले जो शुरू हो गई थी उसके लिए पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. The past perfect continuous and simple past are often used together in a sentence. Okay, the past continuous describe a situation or action in progress in the past, and the simple past describes a shorter action or event. The action or situation in progress is often introduced by conjunction like when, as, just as, and why. जब दो एक्शन साथ में हो रही हो, तब जब पहले से हो गई थी, पहले से शुरू हो गई थी, उसके लिए पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, एंड जो लास्ट बीच में हुई उसके लिए सिंपल पास्ट. लाइक आई वाज राइटिंग अ लेटर व्हेन द पोस्टमैन नॉक्ड एट द डोर. आई वाज राइटिंग अ लेटर एंड पोस्टमैन नॉक्ड एट द डोर. सो जब मैं लिख रहा था तब पोस्टमैन ने डोर पर नॉक किया. ओके, सो which action was interrupt पोस्टमैन का नॉक डोर करना, उससे पहले मैंने राइटिंग शुरू कर दी थी. सो जो मैंने पहले कर दी थी वो कंटिन्यू है और पोस्टमैन के जाने के बाद भी मेरी कंटिन्यू रहेगी, तो उसके लिए पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस और दिस वन फॉर द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. In this sentence, the action in the past continuous was writing started before the action in the simple past now and probably continued after it. लिखने वाला like number 2, just as I was leaving the house the phone rang. जब मैं घर छोड़ने ही वाला था कि फोन की घंटी बजी. So फोन की घंटी बजी, it is interrupted actions. So that's why it is in simple past and it is in our past continuous tense. The light went out while I was reading. The light went out while I was reading. Okay. Now to express parallel action, जब साथ में चल रही हो तो दोनों के लिए past continuous tense. Okay. The past continuous can be used to emphasize the fact that two or more actions were in progress at the same time by using expression such while and at the same time that. जब दोनों साथ में चल रहे हो तो past continuous tense. Both दोनों साथ. While I was reading a book, she was watching the television. जब मैं बुक पढ़ रहा था तभी वो टेलीविजन देख रही थी. This sentence denotes that the action of reading a book and watching television continued side by side. Okay. So now the fifth use of the simple past tense to indicate a repeated action. Repeated action हमने simple past में भी देखा. इसमें भी हम express कर सकते हैं. The past continuous which always, constantly or continually express a frequently repeated action causing irritation, annoyance and disapproval to the speaker. She was grumbling. She was always grumbling. Okay. He was constantly asking for money. हमेशा money के लिए पूछ रहा. She was continually asking silly questions. Repeated actions. Okay, annoyance, irritation के लिए भी हम past continuous tense use कर सकते हैं. So these are the 5 uses of past continuous tense. Just read it, okay, and do this exercise. Exercise number 4 and exercise number 5. In the fourth one, you have to just write down the past continuous tense. So was or plus ing form of the verb. Like a speeding truck crushed him to death while he was crossing the road. Was or plus ing. It is very simple. But in the past continuous tense, fill in the blanks with the past, simple past, or the past continuous form of the verb in the brackets. So for these, okay, remember, like fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past continuous form of the verbs in the brackets. The phone rang. Phone की घंटी बजी. Interrupt action while I was having my dinner. So this is past continuous. This is simple past tense. So rest of all, try to do it yourself. अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो फिर से एक बार दोबारा सब पॉइंट्स को पढ़ लो. So it is very simple, very easy to remember. Was or plus verb plus ing. Okay. It is enough for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.